Hello everyone, my name is Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and today we're in spring with my lovely client Dana. You might recognize his beautiful face from another video that we did. And her amazing husband Larry didn't want to be on camera today, but that's okay, we won't hold that against them.
Right.
All right? Okay. So today we're going to take a look at this amazing renovation that we did, and we're going to talk about the kitchen. We did their master bathroom, powder room, flooring, and give you guys a little tour on everything that we did here. So thank you, Dana.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I love my kitchen. I'm in a new world.
Yeah, it was definitely an amazing transformation. And if you remember from some other videos that I shot, there was a wall here that had some cabinetry and things that kind of closed off the kitchen. So we opened that up. You have this huge, amazing, beautiful island here, which I absolutely love. Gorgeous. Beautiful quartz countertops. And I think another thing that I really love about this kitchen is this area here. So we gave them a very beautiful pantry here with some pull-out shelves, which are very useful for organization. How are you feeling about this?
I love it. I should have organized it today, but
that's quite okay.
It was so small before, and the pull-out, I mean, you could see everything, and you know, my daughter makes fun of our medicine drawer, but it's so convenient.
It's useful and functional, which is amazing. And then here we have this other space here for your coffee and toaster oven and microwave. So how does this work?
You can hide all the ugly. I love it.
Yeah, and hiding the ugly, you were always saying to me earlier that you would, now when you go to work, you look at your kitchen, you're like, I'm gonna make sure everything is in order and nothing's on the countertops. And
I'm later every day. I'm like, oh, but it's hard to leave. It's so pretty. I just want to sit here and enjoy my coffee, and I love it.
Enjoy the beauty that is in your kitchen.
It's just so open, and so you know, need a new table and furniture now, but you know, that'll come.
Yeah. And I wanted to also note and point out a very good idea that you guys actually had here was this trash can on the side. So generally, most people, when they're doing a kitchen renovation, they put this trash can, pull-out trash can, in the island. But you guys had this great idea to have a kind of a tilt out off to the side, and it did take a little bit of cabinet space, but I think this was a great idea.
This was an awkward counter space to begin with. It was so hard to get to anything, so not missing this at all. This much made up for it. So yeah, and this is great. I'm right by the dryer and the kitchen, and it works out great.
So functionally, the space is working for you quite well.
Oh,
right?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. It's like, oh, where am I going to put everything? But I keep thinking, well, there is not even hardly anything in here.
And the fact that we were able to repurpose your existing cabinet boxes, as I mentioned in another video, was great. Updating with new doors, and then of course we did hit a snag with some kind of molding in one of your cabinet areas there where we had to replace that, but you know, in renovations, those kinds of things happen where things are discovered and it's not realized until demo starts.
I'm like, oh, how did we not know that? But you know, that was the least drastic thing that happened. I'm surprised. I mean, I really thought, you know, there would be some horror stories behind the bathroom and the houses, you know, from the 90s, and
not anymore.
You have a 2024.
You have a beautiful new updated kitchen, and I just love it.
I mean, the beam. I mean, let's talk about the beam. I mean, it's just really opened it up, and
it made a huge difference.
It did make a huge difference.
Definitely insert some before photos so people can see the amazing transformation that this kitchen is. And I'm so happy that we were able to give you this beautiful kitchen, and I'm so glad that you're enjoying it. Now, we're going to move on to the master bathroom and show you an even more beautiful transformation in there. So let's head that way.
Yay.
So here we are in the amazing master bathroom. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy about this. How are you enjoying your new bathroom?
I feel like I'm in a luxury hotel. I mean, even more. We love the shower, so nice and roomy. Not too big. That's what we didn't want, a huge shower. I mean, it's perfect.
So in previous videos, as I mentioned, this shower and then where this cabinetry is now is a tub, very small shower combo. And we completely eliminated the tub, put in this huge shower, and now you have this really nice storage here, which is amazing. I'm
so
sure
much
you're going to get use out of it for sure.
Yes. Haven't filled it up yet, which is a good thing.
Yeah, that's very good. And then here we have this amazing vanity here with this tower, which has electrical in it, so you can use your hair dryer there and all of the good stuff. Have you had the opportunity to use that yet?
Yes, love it. And I still have an empty cabinet.
Yeah.
I need more jewelry and perfume to put up there.
Okay, so we'll have to tell Larry, hey.
There you go. Valentine's Day.
Yeah, Valentine's Day's coming. Mother's Day, all the things.
There you go.
Yeah. So the flooring here is absolutely amazing. Also, I love the fact that we did a zero entry shower here, which is great. It's level with the floor. And how did you guys feel about the guys and the progress and the cleanliness? Give us a little advice on how you felt about that.
From design to while the guys were here, they were always respectful. Everything was always put up at the end of the day. Just everything went really smooth. I was impressed with how it all went.
I'm very happy to hear that.
I mean, we lived in it, so
Yeah.
I mean, it was great.
Yeah, sometimes it's very hard to live in a construction zone, and that's why we do whatever we can to make it as calm and easy and clean as we can for our clients. So I'm happy that you were happy with that.
Very happy. The guys were here every day. Didn't have to worry about people showing up. They were here like clockwork every day. Got it done. I was amazed at the progress coming home every day of what had been done and seeing how it transformed.
And the excitement of, hey, what was done today? Let me go see.
It was very, I couldn't wait to get home. And he would come home at lunch. Larry over there holding the light would come home at lunch and like what's in progress. And I'm like, oh, I can't wait to get home. We'll see it all.
That's good. And then the other thing I wanted to mention too was the LED mirrors.
Oh, loving them.
So those are absolutely amazing too. I love these. I love when we can put these in the bathroom because the lighting, you can change the color, the defogging on them are just great. Because you know, as us women, when we're trying to put makeup on after getting out of the shower and it's all frosty and then you have to...
There's no wiping,
Yeah,
and and as we
amazing.
get older, you don't see as well. So this has been great.
Yeah.
I like that. Love it.
That's great. And we also did their flooring in the house, which will show some pictures of that, and their little powder room, which is another beautiful space.
It all turned out beyond what I could have dreamt. So yeah, I love it. I think it's a
good.
whole new home.
I'm very
Without the new home price.
happy. I'm very happy that you're happy with the end result, and I thank you for letting us into your home to give you this beautiful new space. It's amazing. It was such a pleasure working with you.
And you and Emery as well. As soon as we met Emery, I was like, okay, they're the ones. I mean, I couldn't imagine after meeting him. And then you were the icing on the cake. So I love it.
Oh, I love that. Thank you so much, Dana. It was such a pleasure.
Thank you.
And I'm, happy to have done this for you. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one where you can see another amazing transformation on some more client renovations. Thank you, Dana.
Thank you.
Bye.